bench trial today for everyone to have time to consult with counsel. Did you have time to do so if you wanted to? Did you talk to an attorney?
No.
Okay. All right. Are you guys ready to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you have a consent judgment?
I have to move on.
Do you have a consent? I understand your position. Did you two talk today?
No.
You didn't talk yet today.
We talked last time and we didn't get anything.
Did you talk again today?
No, Your Honor.
Are you going to be able to come to an agreement?
I don't think so.
All right, Mr. Sackman, start your case.
Okay. He didn't pay the rent for 6 months.
Okay.
And he has a way like he's very smart guy in a bad way. So he's claiming like he's coming to my office. I'm a physician.
I only want you to give me facts, not a narrative of who he is.
He has total for $7,075. If he pays, he can stay. If not, he has to move out.
All right, Mr. Bindically, what's your position?
Honor, I pay him all the rent. Last time I talked with him outside. He said, why? I say I bring all every time I give him the $950, the rent. Okay. I call him, he said, just come to the office, give it to the girl. Last time, he said, never pay me. I say, okay, talk with the girl. We was outside, he talked with the girl, she said, the girl, they work over there, 2 or 3. She said, yes, I see him. It's coming, all people, they coming, they put the money, they give it to me.
So you said you paid all your rent.
I paid everything.
Do you have receipts?
Yes, 2 times. Today, I have the check for December. For December, I give him the check, he never cashed it. And today, I have the check for January, he don't want to cash it. Okay.
Did you take a check for December?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you choose? No. Did you take a check for December and choose not to cash it?
For August, September, October, November.
Do you have receipts that you paid those?
No, he never give the receipt, ma'am. But the check.
Where do you pay them?
Never cash money. I pay him in his office.
You pay him in cash and you don't get a receipt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Does that seem like a great way to keep track of these things? If you're paying in cash, you're not getting a receipt? Who are you paying?
I pay him to him.
You pay it to him or you pay to someone at the office?
No, I pay. Sometimes he's coming to the apartment. He collect the money. I give him the money cash. Okay. Sometimes I go to the office. I say, where are you, Mike? I have all the card. I say, where is I? Say, I'm in the office. I say, okay. Come anytime, just give it to him. I put it in an envelope. I put number 4 and I close it. I give it to her.
But you have no proof of that and you have no proof he hasn't paid.
And also, he don't give me the lease.
I have a proof. He didn't pay.
What is your proof?
Text message.
From who?
From him. August, did you pay the rent? No. When can I pay it? I don't know.
Pull it up and let me see that. And when is it from?
And I have all the message. I have all the message he swear to me and to my father. I'm at the
I know, but neither one of you has proof of anything here today.
He don't have proof.
I have a proof.
You don't have proof either, sir.
For proof for what?
That you pay, because you're not getting receipts.
Yeah, and also.
But you're telling me you pay in cash. I can't track cash.
Okay, I pay him the check. He don't want to cash the check too. What can I do?
Because you're behind 6 months. Why
You can't just not cash the check, sir, either.
I didn't pay.
Lease.
We don't want.
I don't need any check from him.
Where is the lease?
He doesn't have lease.
Do you have a lease?
I have the lease for January 22. When the lease expired before 22 to the end of the year, and I tell him I need the new lease. He said, okay, I'll give you the new lease. Every time I tell him, where is my lease? I take it to the court. He don't want to give me the lease because he want to kick me out. Because I want to tell you the one thing why he want to kick me out. I pay all the rent, but the one thing I want to tell you something is secret, if you want. Why he want to kick me out? And also when he's coming, he opened my apartment. I have open in my apartment.
Okay, Mr. Wissam, you write all your messages back in Arabic.
Yes, he's smart, very smart.
What's meaning very smart? I'm smart.
I mean, they can get translated, sir.
No, but
I know we're not here to make jabs at each other. I want facts only. Nope. You're going to talk when I say you can talk.
Sure.
I want facts only. Neither one of you came in here with proof of anything.
no, there's a proof. He said, no, I didn't pay the rent for August and September. Just go down.
And he's telling me that he gives you checks and you don't cash them.
He never gave me anything. If
He has a check right now.
Now I would
No.
keep him.
I don't want to pay double. Just the check number and everything. So
He has to
Let
pay
me
for
see the
6 months.
checkbook.
If he paid for 6 months, I will give it. I will keep him.
no, I don't.
I see a check with a picture that says of a check, November 30th, 2023. I am not cashing the check
Right.
because you're supposed to get 4,000. Why are you just not cashing? 950 still goes towards that money. You're choosing not to cash it?
Because if I cash this one, I think he's staying without paying the rest of the rent. This is a law.
No.
If I accept the rent, that means he can stay.
You're accepting portions.
I didn't accept any portion.
The country in October. I came on November on the 3rd. I pay him 950 cash.
He's a lying.
Don't say like please.
I don't want you guys going back and forth. I've already said that. We don't need to take jabs back and forth. I'm here for facts only. I am not here to hear you guys make little jabs at each other. No one has time for that. This text actually says, I'm not cashing the check. He gave you a check for $950.
For December, Your Honor. What about the August, September, October?
You chose not to cash it and you're adding it up to money he owes you.
If I cash it, that means he can stay.
He wouldn't be paid up to date, so it doesn't mean he can stay. And you hadn't filed anything by then. You chose not to cash that check.
Yes, because I need a total amount.
What's the lease say? What's the term of the lease?
It's going to expire for almost 4 or 5 months.
All right.
But Your Honor, I'm asking all.
Okay, I need a judgment.
The lease, you don't want to give me the lease. The end of the lease might end on December last year.
But sir, if you're paying in cash, you need to keep a record of that. You need to keep a record of whatever you pay.
Give me this check, you know, I mean, you want to give me the lease, but you don't want to give me the lease because they want rent it to somebody for $1,300. That's why I tell you, because I want to talk secret with you. What the reason? Either if you want, I want the jury also, if you want.
All right, my issue here, sir, is I have to follow the law.
Thank you.
Well, the law on a termination of tenancy is that if he files it correctly and gives you the 30-day notice to quit, which he did, and you don't have a valid lease, he can evict you for any reason. He does not need you to be back on rent. He doesn't need any reason other than he's choosing to. I am not going to allow a money judgment at this time because it appears that there's apparent cash payments that I don't know whether accounted for or not. There were checks that were chosen not to be cashed. I don't know how much is really owed or not. I am going to find that the plaintiff has the right to recover the property. You must move out on or about January 31st, 2024, or he can apply for an order of eviction. I'm giving you till the end of the month.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. What are we doing now?